With traditional pillows, sleeping on your back or side with your chin close to your chest may result in a restricted airway, a common cause of snoring.
The main cause of snoring is actually a misalignment of the head, the neck, and the shoulders. Snoring is a very anatomical thing, and the airway has to be open, and if not, your body's going to try to open it for you. And with every snore, you get a forced breath that opens up that epiglottis. So snoring is your body's way of trying to get a full, deep breath every single time that your lungs expand.
Snore pillow is designed to help reduce snoring by keeping your chin away from your chest and your airway more open.
On your side, it helps jot your chin forward and also extend the opening to the trachea. So it's really wonderful, individualized to what works best for you.
Well, I'm the one who admits that she snores in the family, let's just say.
You know, it was frustrating, but it wasn't frustrating enough to make me, want to leave the room. But it was definitely impacting my sleep.
Anti-snore pillow is a miracle pillow, really, to me.
Anti-snore pillow does is it assists you in regaining the natural anatomy that makes every night a snore-free night.